Up team, what's up, what's up? Trades running not so good at the moment. I'm fully scaled in on gold. Full risk, guys. Full risk this time. I'm waiting for the push to the upside. So gold, I'm heavy over leveraging this one, but I will hedge it at a certain price to save my account. And then play with it. Alright. Do some magic tricks. But yeah, I hope it will just make a stop hunt and then go up. And if not, then I will hedge the position to the downside, make some money to the downside before it's turning around again to the upside. And yeah, I think we're gonna have some more fun with gold. And Dow Jones. Dow Jones is still fucking around sideways. I hope it will break through so we can make some good money, if you know what I mean. We are fully scaled in. And on DAX, let's see DAX as well. DAX is good. DAX is the same story, guys. It's moving sideways, but right now maybe it's start dropping now heavy. Maybe I will load up some more positions. Fuck it, no risk, no fun. I wanna flip this account, guys. Make some money and then make some vacation. Yeah. Alright, team, have a great day. This is my running positions right now, 150,000 minus. Please don't over leverage your account like I do at the moment. If you don't know how to hedge and all that stuff, make sure to join the Genius Trading inner circle, and then you will learn how to hedge and all this magic tricks that you can do and to play with these numbers. Okay, just enroll to the course. It's a pocket full of gold, guys, for a fair price. And yeah, see you on the inside, guys, and I hope you all having a great day. And yep, this is a real account, guys. I'm hanging around on minus 150,000, and I'm ice cold right now. I feel nothing. Have a great day, team. Peace out.